Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This set of dinner plates from WDF were such a hit at this party that I threw. They are so beautiful. I absolutely love the clear and gold glitter. It just looked so nice and fun and festive. They're great because it comes with 60 dinner plates and 60 salad plates. So it was just, they were so cute. The glitter was just adorable and they were such a hit. I really loved these a lot. I would definitely use these again. They were really heavy duty and easy to use, and people definitely loved them a lot. When you stack them up, you can really see that gold glitter. It's just so pretty. These would be perfect for any event that you have, whether it's a shower or a wedding or even just a dinner party at your home. These are absolutely perfect and will be a big hit with your guests.
I definitely recommend these plates, and that's my point of view.